Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change a DNS in Brave, especially on Android. So first up, open up Brave. Now tap on the three dots right here at the bottom right. Now tap on Settings. Okay, tap on it. And in here, what you do is just go ahead and find Brave Shields in Privacy. Okay, right here, the very first option. So just tap on it. Now in here, what we're going to do is just go ahead and find the Secure DNS option. So I'll scroll down a bit. And as you can see here, we have Use Secure DNS. So just tap on it and then go ahead and tap on this drop down. And then here we have Cloudflare, Next DNS, Google, Open DNS, and Clean Browsing. Okay, just basically select one. And once that's done, close this one, reopen the browser, and you're good to go. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.